The sun has been burning for 4.6 billion years, a cosmic furnace that has nurtured life on our planet. It's easy to take it for granted, this ball of plasma that hangs in our sky. But what if I told you it could explode tomorrow? What would happen to Earth? Would we have time to escape? And most importantly, could anything survive? Our planet, bathed in perpetual sunlight, plunged into an eternal frigid night. Brace yourself, because the answer is more terrifying than you think. First, let's get one thing straight. The sun is not a bomb waiting to go off. It doesn't operate on the crude principles of chemical combustion. It's a massive nuclear reactor, fusing hydrogen into helium deep within its core, a process that releases the light and heat that bathe our planet. And unlike some stars we've observed across the vast cosmic ocean, our sun isn't big enough to go supernova. At least, not in the traditional sense. A supernova is the death knell of a giant star, an explosive demise that outshines entire galaxies. Our sun is simply too small for such a fate, or is it? Recent observations have shown that some stars can undergo unexpected powerful eruptions, far greater than anything we've witnessed from our own sun. These superflares, while rare, could hold clues to a catastrophic solar event that could turn our planet into a dead wasteland, instantly. While our current understanding suggests our sun is relatively stable, the universe is full of surprises. Let's imagine for a moment that the unimaginable occurs. If the sun exploded right now, we wouldn't even know it at first. That's because even traveling at the speed of light, information takes time to traverse the gulf between the sun and our planet. In this case, 8 minutes. For those 8 minutes, life would seem normal. Birds would sing, traffic would clog our cities, and children would laugh, oblivious to the cosmic catastrophe unfolding millions of miles away. But then, the first sign of disaster, a subtle shift in the sky, as the familiar yellow light of our sun begins to distort and warp. And then, darkness. The sky turns black, not the comforting darkness of night, but an unnatural, all-encompassing void. The temperature drops instantly, the warmth of the sun replaced by a sudden penetrating chill. The very air seems to thin, a harbinger of the atmospheric collapse to come. Our carefully constructed technological infrastructure wiped away in an instant. Without the sun's heat, the very lifeblood of our planet would begin to drain away. Earth would start to freeze. Fast. Within 24 hours, the temperature would plummet below -18 degrees Celsius. The familiar landscapes we know and love would begin to transform, coated in a layer of frost, the first hint of the icy grip taking hold. But this is just the tip of the iceberg, so to speak. In just 1 week, the unthinkable oceans would start to freeze solid. The once teeming ecosystems of our planet's oceans, silenced beneath a growing layer of ice. Coastal cities would become entombed, monuments to a bygone era, and the temperature would continue to plummet. In 1 year, Earth's surface would be a frigid -73 degrees Celsius, colder than Mars. The planet, once teeming with life, would become a barren, frozen wasteland. Only the hardiest of extremophiles, those life forms adapted to the most extreme environments, would stand a chance. Deep underground in high-tech bunkers, shielded from the lethal chill of the surface, a select few might survive. Our solar system, a delicate ballet of celestial bodies held in place by the invisible hand of gravity, would descend into chaos. Without the sun's gravity, our anchor in the vast cosmic ocean, all planets would drift off into space. Jupiter, the king of planets, its swirling storms a testament to its turbulent nature, would become a rogue giant, wandering the interstellar void. Saturn, its majestic rings a breathtaking display of cosmic artistry, would follow suit, its icy particles scattering in its wake. Mars, once a beacon of hope for future colonization, would become a cold, desolate wanderer, its thin atmosphere offering little protection from the unforgiving chill of space. The asteroid belt, once held in check by the sun's gravitational influence, would become a chaotic shooting gallery, its rocky denizens flung across the solar system like cosmic shrapnel. Could any of us survive such a cosmic apocalypse? Could we, a species just venturing beyond our planet, persevere without our life-giving star? Deep underground high-tech bunkers would be our last refuge. Powered by nuclear reactors or geothermal energy, these cities would be marvels of engineering. Generations would live and die beneath the surface, connected to the world above through monitors. Another possibility lies in interstellar travel. If we had a self-sustaining colony on Mars, humanity could live on. These pioneers would carry the torch of our species. But even with advanced technology, survival chances? Almost zero. Should we fear our sun's cosmic tantrum? Not in our lifetimes. Our sun is stable with 5 billion years left, but it will eventually become a red giant. Mercury and Venus will be engulfed. Earth's fate is uncertain, but life will be impossible. The idea of a sun-going supernova or even just naturally dying is a daunting prospect. But humanity is a species of dreamers, of explorers, of problem solvers. And faced with the ultimate existential threat, we would undoubtedly pour our collective ingenuity into finding a solution. Science fiction has long explored the possibilities of stellar engineering, of harnessing the immense power of stars to our own ends. Could we, for example, find a way to siphon off the sun's excess energy, preventing it from expanding into a red giant? It's a long shot to be sure, but not entirely outside the realm of possibility. Another perhaps more feasible option lies in interstellar travel. Colonizing Mars is just the first step. We would need to become a truly spacefaring civilization, capable of traversing the vast distances between stars and establishing self-sustaining colonies on other habitable planets. But if the sun did explode tomorrow, well, let's just say, we wouldn't even have time to say goodbye. The sun, our constant companion, the source of life and energy, may one day spell our doom. But instead of fearing the inevitable, let it serve as a reminder of the preciousness of life, the fragility of our existence, and the importance of appreciating the brief moment we have on this planet. What do you think? Could humans survive a world without the sun? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more mind-blowing videos, make sure to like and subscribe.